Hey there, space cadets. Ready to laugh your way to the moon? Buckle up, because we're about to blast off on a cosmic comedy adventure. Get ready for some out-of-this-world moon facts that are so funny, they'll have you howling at the moon. Let's dive in. Did you know the moon is Earth's only natural satellite? It's like Earth's clingy best friend that just won't leave. It's always hanging around, orbiting around us like, hey, what are you doing? Can I come? And you know what? We kinda love it. So, the moon is the 5th largest moon in the solar system. Not the biggest, not the smallest, it's like the middle child of moons, you know. Big enough to be noticed, but not the biggest, not the one getting all the attention. But hey, 5th place ain't bad, right? We still love you, moon. This is kinda sad, but the moon is actually moving away from the Earth, I know, right? It's moving away at about 1.5 inches per year. That's like, what, the length of a gummy worm? It's like it's trying to ghost us, but really, really slowly. Don't worry though, it'll take billions of years before it's completely gone. We still got time. Chapter 4. Okay, get this. The moon has quakes. They're called moonquakes. I guess even the moon can't handle Mondays. Can you imagine being on the moon and feeling a moonquake? Talk about a rough week. Chapter 5. Here's a bummer. The moon has no atmosphere, like, at all. So, no air, no weather, and definitely no Wi-Fi. Can you imagine going to the moon and not being able to post a selfie? The ultimate test of patience. Chapter 6. Don't get too excited, but scientists have discovered that there's water on the moon. But hold your horses, it's not exactly a tropical paradise. It's mostly in the form of ice, hiding deep inside craters. So, no swimming for now, but hey, at least we know it's there. Back in 1959, the Soviet Union's Luna 2 spacecraft became the first human-made object to touch the moon. Talk about an uninvited guest. Can you imagine being the moon, just minding your own business when suddenly, bam, you've got visitors. Chapter 8. Goth Moon. Here's a fun fact. The moon's surface is actually dark. It's not as bright and shiny as it looks from down here. So it's basically the goth kid of the solar system, wearing all black, reflecting very little light. We dig your style, moon. Chapter 9. Permanent diet. So the moon does have a kind of atmosphere, but it's super, super thin. It's called an exosphere. It's like the moon is on a permanent diet. No, I'm good, just a few molecules of gas today. I'm trying to stay thin. Chapter 10. Thank you, moon. Ever wonder why we have tides? You can thank the moon for that. The moon's gravitational pull is what causes tides on Earth. So, next time you're at the beach, give a shout out to the moon for those awesome waves. We owe you one, moon. Outro, keep looking up, and there you have it, folks. 10 moon facts that are out of this world. I hope you enjoyed this cosmic comedy adventure as much as I did. Who knew the moon could be so hilarious? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep looking up. You never know what other celestial secrets are waiting to be discovered. Until next time, space cadets.